Would you just look at that? Hey guys, my name is Drix. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my 2000 SS Camaro. This is an F-body or 4th gen Camaro as they call them. I bought this car about 3 weeks ago actually, and I've probably driven it three times. Here in Texas, it's actually been extremely rainy. It's like the rainforest outside right now. It's like you step out and you're instantly drenched in sweat. The roads are wet. It's raining every single day. So I haven't really been able to enjoy it too much yet. I got to go to one car meet. That was it. But yeah, this is the car. It's kind of claustrophobic in here. It's like 11 o'clock at night. I can't really give you like a full walk around, but I bought this about 3 weeks ago. I sent the deposit on the same day I got married, so that's interesting. Hopefully my wife never watches this and finds that out, but yeah, I saw this online and I just couldn't pass it up. Like, it's a 6-speed, it's T-top, it's got the Hurst shifter already. It was owned by somebody who took extremely good care of it. A mechanical engineer who did all of the little mods and hacks and things that I would probably end up doing with this anyways. So it just made sense. Like, it was a huge, I'm gonna be honest, I paid up for the car, but I also saved money at the same time because I already went through the mod list. There's quite a lot of money in this car, probably $6,000 to $7,000, if not more, in aftermarket parts that are like very high quality, very brand name parts. So very happy with that. The other thing was I wasn't super sure about these stripes. When I first was looking at cars online, I've always wanted a black one of these, right? These were put on the car. They are 35th anniversary stripes. They're factory style stripes, but I wasn't a huge fan in the photos. And I was like, man, I hope they're not clear coated over. They're not. So if for whatever reason I wanted to ever take these off, I could. But to be honest, they're growing on me very much. And if you've never seen these before, they don't go on the top, but they go to the rear. And they also have little stripes right there. So my brother, all my friends were like, do not touch those. We will murder you if you take those off. So I guess they're staying on. And honestly, I just like them now. So it is what it is. But yeah, this is the car. I don't have my keys on me. Everyone's asleep right now. My neighbors probably hear me talking in the garage like a weirdo. So you will get a full like walk around, interior, hood, engine bay, stuff like that. But it's an extremely clean car. It is full leather, full black leather, Hurst shifter, like I said, T-top car. What else? Goodness gracious. I think that's all I want to go over right now. It's got full bolt-ons, like I said. Again, I am very excited for this because I've had 3 Camaros before this. One was in high school, which was an SS, another SS later, a Z28 somewhere in between, which was a mistake because it's a Z28 and I just should have bought an SS instead. I've owned Corvettes. I've owned all kinds of like kind of fast cars. I always come back to these. These are just something nostalgic. The smell inside, the way they drive, they're just super reliable cars. So I'm very happy to have one of these again. And it's in the color I've always wanted. My previous ones was like pewter. Actually, 2 of them were pewter. And then one was navy blue metallic. But I've always wanted black. So here we are. I appreciate you swinging by. I'm going to keep this kind of short and sweet. Not much else going to go on in this video. I've got other stuff planned. I don't do YouTube. I'm not a professional YouTuber. You're not going to see any crazy cuts, editing. Like, that's just not me. I don't have time to do that. But what I do have time to do is share kind of like my journey, like some POV videos. I've got some meta glasses to use for those. And I think it'll be fun. Like, I kind of want to just document what I do with this. My friends have cool cars, so we'll go cruise with them. And yeah, we'll see what we can get into. So thanks for stopping by. See ya.